Hello guys. I am getting on to show you guys the expectations for the week. So again, if you go to your Blackboard page and then click down on the left-hand side, click the assignments, scroll all of the way down to week 35 assignments, you're going to see the cardiovascular system. We finished up the reproductive system last week, so we will be starting the cardiovascular system. And this system is a really fun one to learn, but it's also very challenging in learning it. And so tomorrow I'm going to be doing a lecture um, on the cardiovascular system, kind of going over the function of the cardiovascular system, the parts of the heart, and then also the flow of blood with you guys so that you can kind of understand. And unfortunately, while we normally get to dissect a heart during this time, we won't be able to do that. So I'm hoping that we can do the best with this as we can in the circumstances we are in. So if you click the e-learning assignments, here is our agenda. Again, there's nothing that you have to do with that. It's just the agenda for the week. Here are your CK12 learning and e-learning instructions. So if you click that, it will open the document and you will be completing 2 assignments on CK12 this week. Both are going to be for a grade. I will go into the reports. I will see that you've completed it and I will give you your grade. So you're going to do the cardiovascular system and also what happens during a heart attack, okay? This one's a video. This one is a reading with a video. So you need to be sure that you are doing these and paying attention to those so that when it comes time for questions, you guys can answer the questions. Last week I didn't hold a Zoom meeting. This week I'm going to, just because it is the introduction to a new unit. And so if you guys have any questions, please join the meeting and ask the questions and I'll do my best to explain them with what I have to help you explain them. So that meeting is going to be Wednesday at 10 o'clock, okay? And if you click the link, the meeting ID is there. Here is the notes that we would go over had we been in class. And again, if I had a heart model, I would be able to show you everything. Unfortunately, I do not. But again, I'll be doing my best to help you with that. So one of your assignments other than the CK12 is to do this heart vocab. So you're going to open this document and just like we did a couple of other assignments, you're going to be able to write in this text box, okay? So write the definition of the term. You're going to save your document. You'll go up to File, Save As, and then once you have your document saved, up here in the file name, put your last name in there, and then click Save, okay? And then once you go back into this document or click the link, it will bring you into your digital Dropbox. So once you are here, click Browse My Computer, and then you're going to go to where you saved your assignment, okay? And hopefully, I don't know where I saved that last one. Goodness, Miss Lievsay. Well, we'll just upload this, okay? So you will go to where you saved it. Don't do like I did and not remember where you saved it. So you're going to go to cardiovascular vocab or wherever you saved it. Click Submit. And now, guys, mine says that mine is not saved from a preview standpoint, okay? Yours will submit. I'm just in the teacher view and not the student view. So yours will submit. And then once it's there, it will come through on Blackboard, and then I will be able to access it from there, okay? So I'm going to go back out, and I want to go back to our other assignments. The other assignment that you're going to have is this week 35 e-learning heart label. So again, basically what you are going to do is you are going to come in and you're going to place the letter that belongs on each one of these, okay? And you don't have to worry about it being underlined, whatnot. Just put the letter there, okay? It doesn't matter. So you will do your superior vena cava, your right pulmonary arteries. You'll just go through, and this will make more sense once we go over it in that lecture. And then also if you guys have questions with Zoom, okay? The other thing that I want to point out to you while you're here is if you look at the heart, if you were to take that heart and turn it around, actually, here it is. Here's a heart, okay? But if you're looking at it, your right side of your heart is really your left side of your heart when you're looking at it, okay? So you have to pay attention to which side you're labeling left and right. So you always have to imagine, here is my heart. I'm going to take it and act like I'm putting it in. Because the view that you see on the screen and also in the video, this would be the frontal view if my heart were setting where it's supposed to. All right? So when I'm looking at it, the left side is really the right side of my heart, and the right side is really the left side. Okay? So keep that in mind as you guys are labeling everything. And again, you will go in, you'll complete this document, you'll save it. I'm not going to, because so you'll save it, and then you'll, again, go back into the assignment. You will browse, you will submit the assignment through your digital Dropbox. And then the last thing is not really in an assignment. I just provided you with 3 documents, okay? One of the documents is this frontal view of the heart that you guys can color. You can print off if you have a printer. You can label it. This is just kind of there for you guys to practice. The other one is the image that this paper that I just showed you, okay? So I provided you with one that is filled out so that I could color it and kind of show you how the blood of the heart, the blood of our body comes in. And then I also provided you with an empty one of those so that in the event that you do have a printer and you would like to print that off as well and put all of the information there, you have that available to you as well. Other than that, that is all that you guys are going to be doing this week. So again, you're going to have one assignment, your vocab, one assignment is your heart label, and the other assignment is completing both assigned, the reading and the video on CK12, okay? So you will essentially have 3 assignments that will be going in gradebook. And grades, your assignments are due Tuesday, the 28th, and at 9 a.m. Again, have any questions, just let me know. You can join the Zoom meeting on Wednesday at 10. I will do my best to help you answer those questions, okay? I hope you guys had a good week, and I will talk to you later. Bye.